911, but please try to stay off. Here we have this guy trying to get out. Boy, this is tough, isn't it? The tires are spinning. You stayed in what we were in.
That's right. This indeed is the worst snowstorm I've ever encountered in my life.
Why did you wait so long to dig out here?
I just had a good time, worked all night, just want to come out and have a good time.
Oh, you're at the restaurant? They're having their grand opening there tonight?
Grand opening.
Fun in there?
Yes, it is. Grand opening at the Boardwalk in Riverhead, Long Island.
All right, well, let's see. Let's see you try to come out of here. Are you making any progress? You're spinning. Yikes. Yeah, okay.
It's all-wheel drive.
That's all-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive.
You go. You're going to make it. You got to get over. Whoa, come this way a little bit.
Got to do that New York City virus.
Yeah. All right, keep trying. Keep trying. You want to give him a push? You guys ski back a little bit. Oh, here comes some, whoa! What are these now? Who are you guys?
What's going on?
You not having fun with the snowmobiling tonight? I maybe it's a mess. Oh, whoa.
Oh my gosh, look at that, a whole fleet of snowmobilers. You know, I remember boys at several... Jennifer, you hear us? Oh,
all you can hear is the roar of the engines, right?
There goes Jennifer McLogan.
Gonna take a ride here.
All right, Jennifer, we'll see ya.
Oh, this is fun. Whoa!
No, that's probably the best way to get around if you're going to do it, but not recommended, as you saw. I was trying to get out of there spinning. Wild scene, huh? But they're having a good time.
The cat litter, you know, you need to...
No.
You look at me like not a cat odor, obviously. That helps. You know, you can put that under the wheel to help with the traction. Mm-hmm.
Who knew? I learned.
You learn? We're going to learn from Dr. David Marks here because there's a lot of physical things going on outside. Shoveling snow, welcome.